Okay, this is more the general putting together recycled envelope journals. This one particular kind here is not a security envelope, it's just white on the inside. The ones that are security envelopes, I've been using this side to stitch on and then opening up these sides here with the patterning of a security envelope on them. So these white ones, very often when you put them together, okay, this is no problem. We have this one here. And we're going to put it together with this one. Well, we just like all of the other napkin envelope journals that I've been working on in these recycled business size. It just slips in there, and you glue just the flap of the envelope down, and there it is. Okay. Now when you get to this one here, sometimes you have trouble like this. Okay, this one works just fine here. This one works just fine here. It goes behind there. This one, however, when it goes in, is going, you can see it right here. And this is the part that usually gets the glue on it, or that does get the glue on it, in order to hold them together. So, in order to get rid of that, which is a bit unsightly, you can simply get a piece of paper that will cover all of this back here, and then slide it in right side up here, and then carefully slide the envelope out and glue, okay, there's that envelope right here. The piece of paper that you cut to go behind, you're going to glue it onto here, but onto nothing else. And then when you slip that in, you're slipping in a larger piece. I'll show you what I mean. Another problem you got sometimes too is you have one envelope that might be missing a piece or it's all torn up, and you can do the same thing. Just glue something onto here to extend it and patch it up. So examples of those are in here. I'm trying a new way of filming, and I can't look down at these and up at the camera at the same time. Alright, so all of these here have enough room to stick something in. Okay. This one did not. I did glue it in though. I just glued this square piece of paper onto the envelope that's behind there, onto this part of it, and then right with the yeah, with the good side up, and then I just stuck it into there as usual. So I take a little, you can't even really see it, but this is the paper. down in here. And that's glued on. There's another example in here. Here. This one I just glued this much on. They'll go behind there. And see how to figure that out. And it's on the inside of it. And so now when I stick this in and glue it, I'm going to put the glue on here. And then stick that on top of it. And then I won't be seeing any glue down in here. And this is my Christmas page. This is another one. I haven't figured out exactly what else to put in there, but I do have, yeah, some Christmas paper here. So this one has that glued on, and then I can glue this on too. And stick that into there, and then this thing is going to go outside of it like a shiny silver ornament, and we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, that'll just fit just right. So what I will do is all these others are glued in. I'm going to just show you how this one is going to work. Remember, glue's flowing if you can hear the air. You always want to clear off the little air vent and check to make sure there's air, and then you can glue. So I'm just going to glue right along here. Then I'm going to go up here to make sure that no glue goes into the window. It's on there sturdily enough, just like this. Okay. So I'll just take that. Pick that little puppy up. Carefully set it into place. Well, this is that other one with the big piece. I'm going to put some glue in there. This glue doesn't, stick to that glassine all that well. It sticks though. It does stick. So, make sure everything's all squished in there nicely. So the one that I just stuck in would be this one there. See, looks good. And that's in there solidly. Now I'm going to do this one. Let's see, that's what's going to show. What if I were to just do this? I might like that better. Let's see. No, I think I'll glue that just behind there. All right. This gets a little confusing, so just step by step, I'm simply creating a larger piece of paper here, like so. There. Now wait for that to dry, and when it does, then I can cut it back just a little bit. And slip it in to there, and put the ornament on front. So I put these together so that I would wind up with a red envelope for the 25th for Christmas. I'm a little bit behind because I wanted to demonstrate these, and I really haven't felt like talking or something. I don't know. But anyway, there we go. Now, I have to be careful not to let that get glued to anything I don't want it glued to. All right, that's that. I'm going to make another little video now of a completed or near completed recycled envelope book of the color spectrum, where each envelope is one of the 12 colors of the spectrum, all from magazine illustrations and advertising and photographs.